Creating an account with Tannerbolt.com provides many benefits to shoppers. You can always place an order as a guest on our website and get an order confirmation. But to gain access to the Tanner registration benefits, consider one of these options. To get started, simply click Register on any page located to the right of the search bar next to the shopping cart. Users can sign up either creating an individual account or a company account. Individual accounts are best for general consumers with single-person account activity, while a company account is better suited for businesses with multiple purchasing agents and purchasing teams, where a company administrator can create and manage multiple email addresses or sub-accounts within their company to simplify corporate purchasing. Registered users can take advantage of dedicated promotions and savings on all web orders, along with faster, easier checkout process with an address book and saved company information. You also have access to requisition lists, order history, and order tracking capabilities for easy reordering and order management. You can find out more about the registration benefits by searching Account Benefits in the search bar on Tannerbolt.com or speak with a web sales representative via phone, email, or live chat to further assist with your account and purchasing decisions.